Let's take a look at what are primitive data types in Java. Before getting into the topic, let's see how we can associate them with real-world examples. We will pick a basket if we need to store fruits. Now, we will pick a glass if we need to store water. So, we are selecting the container based on content. Hence, we need to know what is the type of content that we are going to store. Similarly, we need to pick the container based on the type of data that we are going to store in it. In programming, we may classify data into numeric types and non-numeric types. We can further classify numeric types into integral types and floating types. Integral types hold only a decimal point value. That is, it doesn't include any fraction part. Examples such as 10, 20, and so on. Floating types allow fraction parts in the data, such as 10.2, 20.4, etc. You can see different names under integral types. They vary in size, that is the number of bytes that they occupy in memory. Byte takes 1 byte, that is 8 bits. Short occupies 2 bytes. Integer takes 4 bytes. Long takes 8 bytes. How does it impact you? Let's say we have different sized glasses. Then you will pick the one based on the volume of content you are going to store. Similarly, you can pick byte for storing small values, range between -128 to +127. The value range will increase with the increase in memory size. Our preference will be integer or long in our programs. In case of floating types, there are two different data types, that is float and double. Float occupies 4 bytes in memory. Its full form is floating point value. Double occupies 8 bytes in memory. It stands for double precision floating point value. Accuracy is more in double when compared with float. Our preference will be double whenever we are trying to store some floating point value. Under non-numeric types, you will find character, boolean, and string is a special case in Java. Character can store a single character. It occupies 2 bytes in memory. It holds a 16-bit Unicode value for that character. Example characters are A, B, etc. They are enclosed within single quotes. A boolean holds either true or false. Its size is not clearly stated in Java. All the above are called primitive data types. In case of Java, you can also consider string as primitive data type, considering the special support given to it by the language. It is a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. Examples such as apple, a, etc. You can see that even a single character a, if enclosed within double quotes, it becomes a string.